Stop buying meat tenderizer. Papaya already does the job. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain that breaks down tough protein fibers, the exact same way store-bought tenderizers work. Rub a slice of unripe papaya on meat or blend it into a marinade and let it sit for 30 minutes. It's the same enzyme used in some chewing gums to help digestion. Follow for more fruit facts nobody tells you. Stop throwing away your orange peels. They contain 4 times more fiber than the fruit itself, plus more vitamin C than the flesh you're actually eating. Dry the peel, grind it into powder, and add it to smoothies, tea, or baking. It works as a natural flavor and nutrient boost. Just make sure to wash the peel first if it's not organic, since pesticides collect on the surface. Follow for more fruit facts nobody tells you. Grapefruit can be dangerous with certain medications. It contains a compound that blocks an enzyme your liver uses to break down drugs, including some blood pressure medications, statins, and antidepressants. That means the drug builds up in your bloodstream at a much higher dose than intended. One grapefruit or even a glass of its juice can affect your body for up to 24 hours. So always check with your doctor or pharmacist before combining it with medication. Follow for more fruit facts nobody tells you.